everyone blaming me, I am Bhakt of Ram. Yes, I am Bhakt of Ram. I am proud to be the Bhakt of Ram because Ram ideology, Ram character represent Ram is the symbol of the ethical and moral conduct. I am carrying this behavior. I am carrying this behavior.
Bharat Mata. They are talking about the Bharat Mata, and what about the Bharat Beti? What about the Bharat ki Beti? They are talking about the Bharat Mata, and what about the Bharat ki Beti? They are not supporting a Bharat ki Beti.
तुम्हें भे राम भो राम मम उद्धार, हे राम मेरे हृदय में सदैव आप रहें ताकि मैं इस समाज का उद्धार कर सकूं, क्योंकि आप ही हैं जिसकी आइडियोलॉजी पे मैं चल के आई कैन प्रोग्रेस दिस नेशन.
When you are not able to give an answer, that time you are saying Gundai. There is no point in you.
Make the women of this nation financially, socially, economically independent. That's why I'm taking this step for this nation. You are saying you are not focusing on children. Sir, sorry sir, Mr. Indradhanush is my brainchild, not your brainchild. You are rising, I am happy to see. सत्ता आएगी जाएगी, बट ये देश रहना चाहिए.
Here we have the Party of Dignity. Here we have the Party of Ukta Bharat. The President of Ukta Bharat, we have Pooja. Here, the Party of Dignity, we have Miss Garima. And she is going to present and represent whole party to prove that, yes, our party is doing well for the development of this country. And here Pooja's team, they think that, no, whatever the government is doing right now, it is not quite appreciable, it is not quite acceptable. So they are sad, and they will be presenting and they will be proving that what all the things that government has to focus on, guys. Let's talk genuinely on the things which are being ignored by the government, guys. So that, 6 lakhs people are going to watch us. So they should also think something to raise the point for the betterment of this country, guys. Let's not comment on BJP, Samajwadi or Congress government, but let us talk about the thing that government should focus on, guys. Because we the people of India really can talk about it, and we have rights to talk about it, guys. So, हमारा नेता कैसा हो? हमारा नेतनी कैसी हो? So, let's start this session. Let's start this session from the anthem. How many people are ready, guys, for coming here? So everybody stand up.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय है, भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उछल जलधि तरंग. तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा. जन गण मंगलदायक जय है, भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय है जय है जय है, जय 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 है. भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद.
Well, let's not make this session political, guys. You can blame, no problem. You spoke well. But let's really talk about the development of this country. If you truly did something, then tell we did this, we did this, we did this, and we should do this. And you have to tell they have not done this, and we have to do that, right? Let's फिक्र करते हैं भारत की, ठीक है? I want to invite from this team who wants to come here. Come on. Yes, President. Who should come? Sharu on the stage. All right. She is Yuva Neta Bihar.
हमारा भारत कैसा हो? हमारा भारत कैसा हो? भारत माता की, भारत माता की। Ladies and gentlemen, I am here for those girls who is not getting justice. I am here for needy people who is not getting employment. I am here for those who don't have anyone, because we want Ukta Bharat. When we talk about the employment of India, when we talk about the rate and the ratio of India, when we talk about the education system of India, nothing is there. They have only manipulating power, but they don't have actually work, and they should work upon it. We know how you are working. That is why we are and we want Ukta Bharat. Let's talk about the reality and let me know you. What is the reality of India? What needy people wants? What the people wants from India and what people wants from government. They used to talk about their communal riots, and they have only manipulating power. When we talk about the rape ratio in India, they don't have anything. A girl who wants to say something, वो दर्द को अपने बार बार सुनाती है, वो दर्द की गाथा लंबे समय तक गाती है। दर्द को सुन आंखें शर्म से एक बार यकीनन झुक जाती है, पर जुबां से आवाज आज भी किसी की नहीं निकल पाती है। यही वजह है कि माँ बहन बेटी की इज्जत सरेआम हर रोज मिट जाती है, सरेआम हर रोज मिट जाती है। No. It's not like that. When we talk about the reality of India, something is happening bad with the. When we talk, let me know you. Let me know you. Let me know you. Let me know. Let me know you. Let me know you. Let me know you. अरे ये कुर्सी है तुम्हारी, कोई जनाजा नहीं। अगर संभालना नहीं आता तो छोड़ दो। ये कुर्सी है तुम्हारा, जनाजा तो नहीं। अगर संभालना नहीं आता तो छोड़ दो। ये कुर्सी है तुम्हारा, जनाजा तो नहीं। अगर संभालना नहीं आता, अगर बैठना नहीं आता तो छोड़ दो। You should. They are talking. Let you tell me. Let me tell you.
Yes, I reply. माना कि तेरे दीद के काबिल नहीं हम, माना कि तेरे दीद के काबिल नहीं हम। तू मेरा शौक देख, मेरा इंतजार देख। हमने देखा तो इंतजार आपका, हमने देखा
हमने देखा तो इंतजार आपका, कुछ नहीं कर पाया बेकार का।
मुझे न चाहो ये कोई बात नहीं।
अगेन कुछ भी बोलो।
तुम मुझे न चाहो तो ये कोई बात नहीं, तुम मुझे न चाहो तो ये कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन तुम किसी और को चाहो ये बड़ी मुश्किल होगी। It is a sorry. It is a sense of humor. You should understand the line. You should understand the line of sentence.
Listen, very much.
Yes.
Cease. Wait. She wants to say you guys even don't know the proper line. And आप जो उक्ता भारत की बात कर रहे हैं।
सर
जाइए पहले लाइन याद करके आइए। लाइन याद करके आइए। लाइन याद करके आइए पहले।
सर
तो मुश्किल होगी। We know.
Sir, he was talking about
Sir, they don't have manner.
Sir, she was talking about.
Let me know you what is the reality of India. Let me make you understand what is the reality of our India. When we talk about the rape, they are party members. Especially the dignity party, sir. The president of the party members. Yes, let me make you know. Let me make you know. Okay, the party. They said, if rape is happening, just lay on the bed and enjoy it. This is the reality. If rape is happening, lay on bed and enjoy it. And shame on you. They have manipulating power, sir. Just shut up. Just shut up, please. Just shut up. And let me make you understand. Okay, sir. Just shut up and sit down. You are the responsible. You are responsible.
Sir, you don't have tolerance to listen it. Sit down. You are responsible. No. Your Neta has said this.
Your Neta has said this. You will have to understand.
Your Neta has said this.
You will have to
Your
listen.
Neta has said this. Your Neta has said this. Your Neta has said this. Yes. Your Neta has said this.
Just shut up.
Your Neta has said this. Shut up.
Hey, just shut up and let me make you know.
Of
Let
course.
me make you know what is the reality of India. This is
Exactly.
the reality. When we talk about the reality,
Exactly.
they used to manipulate it.
Tolerate. Bear it.
Bear it. Just bear it. Okay,
Bear it.
just bear it. Bear it.
Please sit down. No, I'm sorry.
Just bear it.
I'm sorry.
Just bear it.
I'm sorry.
Just bear it.
Shame on you. Shame on
bear
you.
it.
Arey, sit down, please. Wait.
Just
No.
sit down. Just sit.
We can't listen.
We are
here.
talking about the statement of India. The statement of the rape.
You guys are
This-
promoting rape and saying now. Why can't you be here? Why can't you be here now?
If rape is happening, lay on the bed and enjoy it. What is this?
This is your statement. Is this your statement?
Enjoy it. They are talking about the Bharat Mata. They are talking about the Bharat Mata, and what about the Bharat Beti? What about the Bharat ki Beti?
Yes.
They are talking about the Bharat Mata, and what about the Bharat ki Beti? They are not supporting a Bharat ki Beti. You have to listen. You have to listen and just bear it.
Shame. 5.
Shame on you.
चुल्लू पर
Shame
पानी
on
डूब मरो.
you. Shame on you. And when we talk about the GST of education, they want develop India.
Yes.
They want a progressed India. and
Yes.
one of the biggest country
हाँ.
in the world. And what about the GST on education system? ये लोग जो दलालों की GST माफ कर सकते हैं, इनकम टैक्स माफ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन when we talk about the GST and education system of India, they will not bear. इनसे नहीं होगा. And what about the needy people? What about the needy people? अमीरों की इनकम टैक्स माफ हो सकती है. अमीरों की इनकम टैक्स माफ हो सकती है. And let me make you understand, okay? Just shut up. Just shut up. Out of topic. There's
No, continue. Yes.
ये लोग इनकम टैक्स माफ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन when we talk about the education system of India and GST on education system, they will not speak.
They will not accept. Oh! Of course!
And you will have to सुनना पड़ेगा. You will have to bear it and you will have to listen it. What is the reality of India, and they have only manipulating power. They will only just have to say it on what? And when we talk about the education system, when we talk about the employment, when we talk about the rape, they are not able to listen. They are not able to listen our point.
Yes. They can't bear it.
So what we want? Ukta Bharat. We don't want a manipulating power. Just we want a Ukta Bharat. So thank you so much. If you want a progress India, if you want a success India, choose Ukta Bharat. हमारा भारत कैसा हो? Thank you so much.
Very nice. Wow, fantastic. I really appreciate. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to invite. मार देना पटक जो कूद जाना वहाँ पे. लगाओ पे ये लो वहाँ पे. एकदम धमकी दे दो. धमकी उनका. अरे लगाओ इसको बोल. डिग्निटी. इनको पार्टी के नाम ही नहीं पता. एक मिनट. पहले उधर जाइए. पहले माइक्रोफोन से लगावा क्या ये? नहीं लगा तो फ्री होके बात करोगी ना, ऐसे फंसी पड़ी रहोगी. हाँ.
This is me, Anju Daima. Today, I am going to talk about education.
अरे वेट. हमारी नितनी कैसी हो? आए अब नेता लग रही है. यस. वाह.
Hello everyone, this is me, Anju Daima. Today, I am talk about education.
What is this Gundai going on? Exactly. Is this our neta? Exactly.
Hello everyone, this is me, Anju Daima. Today, I am talk about
I'm
education.
going to talk about.
I am going to talk about education. So first of all, which type of you are sitting here because of education?
Wow, Anju.
Did you understand? You are sitting here because of education, or you are talking about which kind of education? You are sitting here because of or you are talking about which kind of education? Shut up! Or you are saying about which kind of education in India? Guys are sitting in education. Guys are, you guys only want Papa. You only want Papa.
Yes.
have to learn how
Your
to
Gundai is showing. Yes. Are you educated? Are you educated?
I am educated, that's why I am standing here. I am educated, that's why I am educated, that's why I am able to talk to you. I am educated, that's why I am talking about you.
अरे
If
भाई,
I am not educated, then that's why I am not talking about you.
I will die. Are you educated?
I am educated.
Then don't show your Gundai.
Guys, I'm not showing my good body. I'm not showing my good body.
Okay, वहीं खड़े को बोलिए, वहीं खड़े को बोलिए, आराम से. Okay, 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 okay.
I want
Listen.
to say which kind of a Gundai you are showing me. I'm not. I'm only telling you.
अरे talk on the point.
talk on the point. Let's talk about the point.
Talk on the point.
This, I want to say you are educated. So why
एक
are you
मिनट छोड़ दो, उनको
talking
बोलने
like
दो.
this?
एक
Yeah,
मिनट
I
किसी
want
बोलने
to
दो,
say,
एक मिनट से बोलने
If you
दो.
are educated, so why are you showing, shouting?
ओके, एक मिनट सुन लो भाई, एक मिनट सुन लो इनको. Yes. एकदम छोड़ दो इनको, एक मिनट. चलो.
Hello guys, this is me, Anju Ahmed.
कितनी बार इंट्रोडक्शन.
That was indirect to that why. My name is Anju Ahmed. Education. I am talking about education. So India education is day by day increase. Ab how I can say कि how can I say कि India education is not increase? If I am talking about past time girls was not educated, but at that time girls are educated. Past time girls didn't go to outside, but at that time girls are come to us. Or I am talking about myself. I am blessed, but at that time I coming understand why, because of education. And at the time you are talking about this topic because of education. You had got this topic about because, or you are saying government are bad. What happened government? Government is not responsibility everything. Every student. You are.
What?
You are voting.
अच्छा, one by one. Talk to her. इनको सुनिए, इनका अच्छा पॉइंट है.
Because of our votes, you are standing.
मोई.
You are voting because of I am able to. That's why you are voting me. Because I am able to. That's why you
One by one.
You are connected because of I am.
You are not a person. We selected you. We selected you.
You are selected. I am a person. You are selecting me. You are selecting me.
We selected you. We selected you. Why?
Why you are selected me? Because of my ability. That's why I selected me. Because of my ability.
अरे इनका भी पॉइंट इनका.
Do you believe in democracy?
I want to say.
Ask what is democracy.
Do you believe in democracy?
अरे पूछो, do you know what is democracy?
Ma'am, what is democracy? And do you believe in democracy?
Listen to me.
Do you believe
Why
in
listen to me?
what is democracy?
Listen to me.
What is democracy? What is
I want to
democracy?
say.
What?
Please
What?
take you sit.
What?
First,
What?
I will let
Can
me
you-
get.
can
Let
you-
me make
can you-
understand.
can
Let me
you-
make
who
understand. Please take you sit.
What is
First, I want to
You
say
tell what is democracy.
democracy must go.
What is democracy? What is democracy?
If someone girl outside and one boy is DJs blinking out, that I'm raped, that I'm this type of situation.
Rape is democracy. Rape is democracy. Teasing. Sit down. Sit down. Rape is democracy. इधर आओ. अरे रुको, इधर आओ. ये कह रहे कहा है मुझे फंसा दिया. तो डेमोक्रेसी, रेप इज डेमोक्रेसी।
Rape is not teaching.
अच्छा
If
सुनो,
some girl sitting-
तुम आराम आराम बोलो ताकि समझ में आए एकदम।
Sir, that's why sir, you didn't listen. Sir, they are not patient.
आप लोग एकदम चुप रहिए।
Sir, they have no patience, so how can I speak? Sir, they have no patience, so how can I speak? Or how can make my point?
जब मैं अलाउ करेंगे तभी बोलेंगे आप लोग। इफ आई अलाउ यू देन पब्लिक विल स्पीक।
So I want to say, पहली let
ओके
me-
कंटिन्यू प्लीज,
This
आराम।
girl say कि you are normal person. This our girl say कि you are normal person. I choose you. I have choose. That's why you are become, because I have ability. That's why
टेल
that's
पीपल, टेल।
because I have ability. That's why people are choosing me.
Okay.
Again to again, people why are voting me?
हाँ नहीं नहीं अभी नहीं।
खत्म. अंधेरे से लड़कर
अरे हाँ हाँ, शायरी गई, शायरी शायरी शायरी।
अंधेरे से लड़कर रोशनी की ओर बढ़ोगे। अंधेरे से लड़कर रोशनी की ओर बढ़ोगे। जान की उस राह पे।
यस यस।
सर बस मैं तो जा रही हूँ।
अरे पहले सारी बोलो। हाँ, अंधेरे से लड़कर।
सर they are shouting तो they are don't listening me तो that's why I am
अंधेरे से बढ़कर, अंधेरे से लड़कर।
Honorable member
Okay.
is misleading the whole.
no भाई
They are
ठीक है, सिट डाउन, थैंक
you
यू।
are don't listen to
सिट
me
डाउन।
that's why
सारी बोल दो। अंधेरे से लड़कर, अंधेरे से लड़कर नौसरी की तरफ जाएंगे।
हाँ, अंधेरे से लड़कर रोशनी की ओर बढ़ेंगे। अंधेरे से लड़कर रोशनी की ओर बढ़ेंगे। ज्ञान की उस राह पे हर अपने कदम बढ़ेंगे। लेकिन कब बढ़ोगे? हर किताब यू आर सिटिंग हियर दैट्स व्हाई you are talking about me. अरे with if I am talking about past time.
He has also won in his area. That's why he's sitting here.
No sir.
He is MP.
I want to say sir if this person said कि in India education is not increased. So yeah I want
You
to
don't
say,
know democracy. Why are you talking about education?
I want to.
What is democracy?
Sir, every person doesn't know everything knowledge. Every person doesn't know. If I talking about other word, sir, if I am talking about other word, so every person has knowledge. This about
Yes,
this. Topic.
why not?
No, sir. How can possible if that person is?
Once again, you are education minister, right?
What is the GDP of education? I want to
Yes.
ask her. What is the GDP of education?
What is the percent?
I am talking about you are talking.
Education. You are talking about education. What is the GDP of education? Do you know?
बताइए।
Why?
I want to say.
ईमानदारी से बता दीजिए। यस।
Yes.
देख बहन, बोले देख बहन। हाँ
Fighting.
बोलो। ओ नेता भाग रही है।
एजुकेशन पे जीएसटी कितना लगता है?
I don't know that.
18%।
18%. पूछ के बताओ.
80%। बैठो बैठो।
I want to say, listen to me. If मैंने गलत बात किया ना, okay, sorry.
Yes, Pooja, send a person from this team, please. Yes. Avoid contradiction. इनको सब बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता।
First of all, I would like to ask. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am going to talk about our condition of country. So first of all, I want to give you a disclaimer that we have many ideas, many language, but we represent one idea that is called India. So I'm not going to hurt anyone, any parties. Just I'm giving fact, only fact. I'm not going to say anything else which is not factual. So first of all, I would like to tell inflation. Inflation before 2014 and after 2024. That is inflation is grow 4.9%. And now I'm going to women's safety. Women's safety is totally collapsed because recently you know about Manipur. In Manipur, the women was raped and make parade on the road. That shows all the world That is the image of India. How can we say? How can you say in India there are women are safe? So women safety is collapse and corruption before 2014 and the money manifesto by the ruling party. They said I will remove totally corruption. But you can say every corner has India in corruption, like any department, from bottom to top. Everywhere is corruption. And now I would like to tell about agriculture. So the ruling party, so the ruling party had. Let me complete, please. So they said I'll make twice income of farmer in 2022. But right now this is 2025. But the farmer is still in their situation. That's the fact. And second thing, black money. This ruling party is in power because of black money. They said in Ireland black money and back black money from Switzerland. But after 2040, they don't talk about black money. Like black money is gone. Now black money is more than that. Black money. Do you talk about black money? You are not talking about black money. And second thing, good governance. They said I'll provide you good governance. But what good governance? They said less people in our government and government will do better. But you have 60 to 70 ministers in your government. That is less government? No. That is also collapse. Monopoly. And you are our prime minister, your leader is going another country, just not for the people of India. They are going for just they went after 10 days, 20 days. Those country gives a contract, crores of money, crores of dollars. That's the fact. The people, the leader is not going to another country. Leaders are not going to get something for their own people. No, that is their foreign policy and that is their every time. Government in a democracy, government is welfare for the people. But government what are doing? Government is doing temple. That's not the work of government. That's the personal thing. And now lynching. Now I come to about lynching. Let me know. Lynching. Now we know we come from Hindustan, but now we have to say very painfully, we come from Lynchistan. That is the result of India right now, Lynchistan. I'm very sorry to say because I am saying Hindustan is Lynchistan. That's very painful. And second thing, international relation is very collapsed because the government of America, Trump is threatening not one time, 20 plus times threatening our prime minister. Our prime minister is representing 140. Let me put the fact. Trump is threatening our country, our prime minister. Who is prime minister? Prime minister is representing 140 crore people. We are not weak. We have capacity to reply them, but the is not replying them. They are not tweeting. And sorry. And then POK. They said in early 2040. Just 2 minutes, sir. Just 2 minutes. I am concluding. POK. They said we will take POK. What is POK? POK in Pakistan. So, and then agriculture is also collapsed, and GST. How the people, let me know one thing. In 1945, America has bombed in Japan. After bombing Japan, will cut budget in everything. Will very, 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 very important, very important, very important, very important. Mary Mamta Bahan, please sit. I'll put one fact. Okay, GST and Japan after bombing, Japan will cut budget. Japan will cut budget in everything, but they don't cut budget from education. But then right now, Indian government is imposing GST on education. How can you say? And right now in 2014, right now $1 is equal to 90.27 rupees. It's the highest in Indian history. Right now $1 is equal to 90.27 rupees. In 2050, 60 rupees something. And now rape today per day. One minute. Media ranking. Media is the worst situation in India right now. Out of 180, it is 160 rank. And drinking water. I'm just completing. What is Ganga Yamuna? What is Ganga Namani Yojana? Just 2 points. Sir, 2 points. I am your brother. Please listen. 2 points. 2 points. Ganga Namani Yojana. What is Ganga Namani Yojana? Just nothing. Because we say in COVID, many dead bodies are flowing on the river. That is our health system. One thing. Industry in Bihar. I come from Bihar. So government is earlier said that when I'll come in power and I put industry in Bihar, so the youth of Bihar will not go to the another country, another state. But right now also the youth of Bihar like animals. They go into train and just go Punjab, Haryana, South India. And judiciary, they said we have 6 lakh more case is pending. 6 lakh, one thing, last one thing. We have 6 lakh, just one thing. We have 6 lakh case pending. 6 lakh case, over 6 lakh case pending in our court. Yes. So thank you. So yes, I'm concluded. So I want to disclaimer one thing there. I'm not hurting anyone. Just it is fact. If anyone got hurt, I'm really sorry. Thank you to all of you.
Again, a disclaimer, guys, please do not take any sentence or word very seriously, because if you take any sentence or word seriously, then of course CAF will be in nightmare situation. I'm very happy to see girls talking loudly and being virago kind of.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. I'm very happy to see you speaking before the people like this. But we have here the party of dignity, and here we have Ugda party. I don't mean that. I mean to say that let's not target the political parties. Somewhere we are taking the name of the party. That is absolutely not okay. Let's name again and again that Ugta Bharat, the dignity. Name this. Avoid and do not highlight any political leader's name also. Somebody is mentioning about Modi ji, somebody is mentioning about, don't mention please, right?
Now, for the answer of all the questions, our Virago girl has come. And everybody is requested not to ask any question till 5 minutes. Humble request. If you ask, it will be very saddening for me. पूजा दीदी जैसा हो।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. my Jai Shri Krishna. My party name is Party of Dignity. Party of Dignity. Party of Dignity. Sorry. Party of Dignity. My party name itself representing that we are that person, that we are giving concern about every person dignity. This party name represents that we are respecting every person garima. My name is also garima. I am respecting every identity, every one person, even my opposition, giving lots of problems. I have so much respect in my heart in my opposition party. That type of personality I am carrying. By one line I will start to my speech. And this one Sanskrit line represents my whole ideology. Uttaram yatra samudrasya. Uttaram yatra samudrasya himadrasya cha dakshinam. Uttaram yatra samudrasya himadrasya cha dakshinam. Varsa tatra bharatam nam bharti tatra satanti. The meaning of that line, the meaning of this sloka, जो भारत, जो देश समुद्र के उत्तर में है, जो देश हिमालय के दक्षिण में है, उसका नाम भारत है। वहाँ के रहने वाले सारे भारतीय वहाँ के रहने वाले सारे नागरिक भारतीय हैं। India is known for its tolerant and inclusive culture. You are blaming me. I am following the ideology of Hindutva. Yes, it is true. I am following the ideology of the Hindutva. I am following the ideology of Sanatana because Sanatana is the ideology that not related to any religion. Sanatana is that ideology. Sanatana is that ideology Sanatan Dharma is the ideology which accumulates everyone without discriminating on the caste, creed, religion. I am giving respect to everyone. I am the president, I am the prime minister of India. I am the father of all the citizens of this country. I cannot discriminate anyone on the basis of religion.
How liar you are! How liar you are!
And everyone blaming me, I am Bhakt of Ram. Yes, I am Bhakt of Ram. I am proud to be the Bhakt of Ram because Ram ideology, Ram character represent Ram is the symbol of the ethical and moral conduct. I am carrying this behavior. Ram is the person. Ram is not concerning Ram as a God. Concern Ram as ideology. Concern Ram as a personality. Ram is that personality. In the Ram Rajya, there is no discrimination on the basis of caste. Even the one Dhobi caste person blaming Sita Ma that your wife is not good. Ram is that much courage to left his wife. That much of the courage can only Ram has. For this praja, for his praja, he left his wife. That type of the courage. Yes, one line in the Sanskrit for the Rama. Rame chitlaya sada bhavatu me. Rame chitlaya sada bhavatu me. Bhe Ram, bho Ram, mama उद्धार। हे राम, मेरे हृदय में सदैव आप रहें ताकि मैं इस समाज का उद्धार कर सकूं, क्योंकि आप ही हैं जिसकी आइडियोलॉजी पे मैं चल के I can progress this nation. You are saying I am not focusing on youth. I am focusing on youth. Youth is the engine of this society. Youth is the engine of this nation. How can I not focus on the youth engine? Engine is the main element of any machine. Right now, I am working on the youth process. I am working on the Skill India, Stand Up India. Skill India, Stand Up India, Made in India is my brainchild, not your government brainchild. It is my brainchild. Skill Up India. You are saying I am not focusing on women. I am focusing on women, sir. I am focusing on Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. It's my focus. Mission Shakti is my scheme. I am working on that financially. I want to make the women of this nation financially, socially, economically independent. That's why I am taking this step for this nation. You are saying you are not focusing on children. Sir, sorry, sir. Mr. Indradhanush is my brainchild, not your brainchild. Mr. Indradhanush, NPA, National Education Policy 2020, you are following the very old process of the very old prospect of the education. It's my ideology. Under the C.R. Gopalan, I am doing for this nation. NPA, New Education Policy, give you right to read and write in your mother language. Mother language is very important. One second. NPE, National Education Policy. Right now it working. Not. So sorry, sir. It's the same thing. This policy is making every person able, making every child able to learn anything in mother language, because mother language is very easy language for a child to learn it. Why China is ahead of us? Why China is ahead of us? Because China is giving education in their Mandarin language, and we are focusing on English. Yes, right now English would be our professional language, but English cannot be our mother language. And today is the 10th accident. Sir, please, sir. Please, speaker, sir, please make him silent. Today. No. Let me go. Very good point, sir. Sir, information, very good point. Today is the World Hindi Day. 10th January. Today is World Hindi Day. I am very happy to see this day, because world recognizes Hindi as a language, and you should be proud to be a Hindian. And it is possible just because my government pressing to other state, please implement the Hindi in your education system. You are saying I am not focusing on farmer. Direct benefit transfer. The scheme has been launched by me. The 6,000 rupees direct benefit transfer, through the direct benefit transfer, I am giving to farmer for their khad and urea price for the paying. And right now I am dealing with, yes, it is true, we are developing country. We have so much problem. Sitting in opposition, raising question is very easy, but sitting with seat on the seat is very difficult to deal with the difficulties. I have courage to sit and deal with the problem. We are dealing with inflation. We are dealing with economic instability. Right now, I am dealing at the world level leaders, because it is very unpredictable to guess any ideology of any leader. So, my last one poem. Poem is give all the answer. What do you want? Every question. Then can you give me water? Sorry, sir. हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए. हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए. इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए. आज ये दीवार पर्दों से हिलने लगी. आज ये दीवार पर्दों से हिलने लगी. शर्त थी लेकिन ये बुनियाद हिलनी चाहिए. हर सड़क पे, हर गली में, हर नगर में, हर गांव में हाथ लहराते हुए हर लाश चलनी चाहिए. सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, मेरी कोशिश है कि सूरत बदलनी चाहिए। मेरे सीने में, तेरे सीने में, कहीं भी हो, जो देश की विकास की बात है, जो हम देश को आगे ले जाना चाहते हैं, एज ए यूथ वी आर डिबेटिंग हियर, इट इज ट्रू, वी आर हियर फॉर द लर्निंग, बट इन द ट्रू सेंस वी आर द इंजन ऑफ दिस country. And we should focus. We are opposition, we are in position. Doesn't matter for us. We should focus for the development of the nation. And for that I am saying, मेरे सीने में हो, मेरे सीने में नहीं, तेरे सीने में सही, मेरे सीने में नहीं, तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं भी आग, हो कहीं भी आग, लेकिन ये आग जलनी चाहिए। As a neutral leader, as a very acceptable leader of this nation, very much acceptable ratio of my opposition. Yes, it's true. You are in opposition. You have duty to claim. You have duty to blame me. You have duty to raise the question why you are not doing. It is your duty. If you are not doing, it is not. It is means you are not in opposition. You are the murda in the opposition. You are rising. I am happy to see. सत्ता आएगी जाएगी, बट ये देश रहना चाहिए। Whatever the problem you have said to me, I am concerned about that. In my regime, in my period, in my time, it is happening. I am very sadful for that. I am very sadful. Whatever the rape is happening, my MLA is doing, I am listening that. I am concerning about that. And I want to make my leaders an MLA. Please don't do this, because it make my side, it make my party ideology defame. But how can I prevent everything? But in my capacity, I am doing everything to prevent, to make my nation happy. Thank you so much. You have been the great audience of the day. Thank you so much. Atal Bihari Vajpayee when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was in the period when that time, the opposition raising so much point, and that time Atal Bihari Vajpayee, I have so much respect for that particular leader, because his life is very in a struggle, and he was a very great leader. He is saying that satta aaye ya jaye, ye desh रहना चाहिए. Yes. Because we are doing so much work, right, without taking break. I am not taking breakfast. I am here. Why? Because I want to develop my skill. And skill for what? For my country. Whenever I will be in foreigner, whenever I will be in foreign, as any position, as any person, I will represent my India. I will not represent Garima. I am Garima for here that. I am Garima in my village. I am Garima in the India. But when I will be in the America, as any position, I will be Indian. And when I will meet any American, I will teach them. I will speak better than you in English. It's your language, but I have capacity to speak better than you. But you don't have capacity to speak my Hindi better than me. Because Hindi is very tough language, and we are the nation, 22 languages. How can you imagine that? How beautiful this nation is? How beautiful this nation. We have 22 language, official language, 600 sub-language, and we are speaking and mingling to each other and giving respect to each other. My brother is from the Bangladesh. I don't know the Bengali.
West Bengal, Bangladesh.
Actually, my subconscious mind,
yeah, exactly.
Actually, in my mind, let me correct my sentence. In my mind, Bangladesh is my nation. That's why I'm concerning the Bangladesh. But after some time in my government, I will capture Bangladesh.
Of course.
So that person from Bengal, and that person from Tamil Nadu. And but we are just when learn some new language, we say, wow, what beautiful nation we is. So we should be proud to be Indian, and we should try to make progress
All
this
right,
India.
all right.
Thank you so much, giving me so much respect. My opposition also, if I have done something wrong, I have made something wrong word for you, let me, forgive me, and my party, I am so grateful I have member like you.
कहाँ देख रहे हैं?
That's really fantastic. All right, don't shout. Give me microphone. Yes. Everybody has to say something. Wait. First of all, guys, today it is Saturday, and on Saturday we conduct public speaking. On Monday there is a theory class, right? So I wouldn't get this opportunity of celebrating Youth Day. Actually, on Monday it is Youth Day. It is the birth date of Swami Vivekananda. So on Monday it was theory class, so that is why this Youth Assembly Day was conducted. And the way you guys are speaking and telling everything, my God, I'm so proud यार. मैं यहाँ से कह सकता हूँ कि मुझसे बेहतर आप लोग बोल रहे हैं, सच में. वेल टॉक एक सच में प्लेटफॉर्म आपको दिया है आवाज़ उठाने के लिए, अपनी प्रोडक्टिविटी डेवलप करने के लिए. मैं कुछ बोलूँ या ना बोलूँ, लेकिन आप मेरे से बेहतर बोलकर मुझे एहसास दिला रहे हैं कि वेल टॉक सच में एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है यूथ को उठाने के लिए. राइट. So really I'm so happy to see you all the way you all are speaking. ठीक है, कंपटीशन में इधर उधर थोड़ा होता रहेगा, गुस्सा उवल होते रहेंगे, इट्स ओके. बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली कि आप जो है अपनी भड़ास निकाल के एक देश के लिए आवाज़ उठा रहे हो, देश के प्रति बात कर रहे हो, ये सबसे सौभाग्य की बात है और सबसे बड़ी जो है कह सकता हूँ गर्व की बात है. तो और भी जो बच्चे और बच्चियाँ हैं, एक ही सेंटेंस बोलें, गर्व से बोलें, क्योंकि देश के लिए आप बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है, अभी तक हम लोग गली में खाने की बात किया करते थे, आज आप देश की बात कर रहे हैं. इस स्टेज पर कितने लाख लोग आप लोग को देखेंगे, तो इट्स अ बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू टू से इवन अ सेंटेंस, बट से दैट सेंटेंस with pride and proud, guys. All right? Now Pooja, send a person from your team and let him speak confidently.
So, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am here to represent our team, Ukta Bharat. So, I want to talk about that in our country there are gender biased violence like domestic abuse, like sexual assault, like harassment, like trafficking. I want to question to you all if you have answer. Another thing, there is a huge problem in our education system because we are only focusing on our theory. Yes, only. We are not performing political. In health, medications are so. मतलब medication is something which like लूटा मारी चल रही है भाई. दवाइयों में लूटा मारी चल रही है और हम बोलना चाहेंगे मुझसे 1000 खामियां है, माफ, मुझ में 1000 खामियां है, माफ कीजिए, मुझ में 1000 खामियां है, माफ कीजिए, पर अपने आईने को भी तो साफ कीजिए. Second thing, there are no economic opportunities. Okay, there are dowry system right till now. There are child marriages. There are the law, but there are till now some places there are child marriages. Why do you not get taking action about it? Okay. Second thing, rape cases. I will tell you. First rape case, Bhavani Devi rape case in 1992, India. Do you know about it? So you don't know about it. Let's study about it. Firstly, I will count it. You have your things to speak about. Second is Aruna Shanbag case in 1973. Mathura in 1972. Nirbhaya gang rape in 2012. Okay? Or I will like to tell you one thing. I fed up of people who ask me, what is your agenda? Right?
Listen to me. We choose. Guys, I am just representing, ma'am. I am just raising the points. Give me the answers. You are sitting there. Why are you here? 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 We selected you. We selected you for our protection. We selected you for our education. We selected you for to not do women empowerment. We selected you for economic opportunities.
Hello, President. Is she? Arey, listen to me. Is she defaming your party, or is she defaming this party?
I am putting facts.
Actually, no. Let me tell you. Shut up. Just wait. Arey bhai. She is telling these cases occurred, and we also gave justice. Now these cases which are occurring now, there is no justice. She wants to say this.
Yes.
Of course.
Second thing,
Yes.
drugs abuse, healthcare, pollution, okay, acid attacks is in the market. Acids are illegal, but it is selling now. हो रहा है ना सर? रोकते क्यों नहीं हो भाई? Delhi is still polluted. You are just taking the garbage and just throwing it to another places. You are doing this. You are not making the. You are not even rising the solutions. You are just put it the garbage and just throw it to the another city. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. So sorry. I'm so sorry. In our Muzaffarnagar, there are so many trucks who are being loaded with garbage and they are polluting our Muzaffarnagar in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, we see that. So don't talk about this. I have the videos. I seen the videos and I see by my eyes also. Okay, so don't talk about this. Second thing, sexual selective abortion. Yeah, do you have all the answers about it? You don't have any answer. You don't. You only do the fake promises. You only do the fake. You only give the fake judgments, but you can't do anything. Second thing I want to say that कि हक की बात बोलने के लिए कलेजा चाहिए, तलवे चाटने के लिए एक जीभ ही काफी होती है. एक जीभ ही काफी होती है.
All right.
Before joining this coaching, I was not so confident about me. This confidence I get from this coaching. And as a teacher, I have many favorite teachers in my life. They taught a lot to me.
I think publicity.
Yeah, no. In math, in physics, I am good just because of my teacher. I will be good as a speaker just because of Kaif sir. Because Kaif sir for me as a teacher, he has inspired a lot to me. He has motivated me a lot. And sometimes when I don't want to read, don't want to study, but when I see the person hard work for this coaching, then I look myself. The person is doing so hard work for why I cannot do. If person is he is my teacher. He is doing so much hard work.
I need to.
Why cannot I do? And really, I want to do something in my life. When people will see in future, when people will see me in future, Garima, just immediately relate the Kaif sir. I want to become the representative of the Kaif sir as a speaker. I am thankful for my Lord Krishna. He made it possible that I am here. I have a good teacher like him. Thank you so much, sir. You will be my great teacher in my life. I will remember in every stage of my life. Whenever the people appreciate me as a speaker, I just remember you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. I mean, really, let me tell you one thing. The समाज, the society I belong actually, वहाँ पे महिलाओं को बहुत दबा के रखा जाता है, right? आज I think तीनों लड़कियाँ ही जीती हैं. मैं इमोशनल हूँ, सच में बता रहा हूँ। आई मीन मैं सोचा करता था कि लड़कियां जैसे जानवर की तरह जीती, मेरे एरिया में अगर आप आएंगे सच में नौकरानी की तरह जीती, बस खाना बनाने तक महदूद हैं वो, बस खाना बनाई कपड़ा धुली, बस वही, पढ़ाई उढ़ाई मतलब ही नहीं, राइट। मैं सोचा करता था कि यार इनको कैसे ट्रीट किया जा रहा है। आज सच में मुझे फ़ख्र है, मुझे गर्व महसूस हो रहा है कि मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म से, हम लोग की एक पहल से महिलाएं इतना तगड़ा बोल रही हैं और समाज के लिए और समाज के प्रति आवाज़ उठा रही हैं, और तीनों आज विनर्स भी हैं माशाल्लाह। वेरी नाइस।